Well, this is Jeannie. Welcome back to our charming videos. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the copper foil. Now there are some different copper foils that you can use. This is looks like a 7/32, and it is a copper backed foil. And I would use this if I were going to do a copper patina on my charm, especially if you can see through it, like if it was a clear glass. And I would probably not use a 7/32 because it's very thin. And you usually have two pieces of glass plus maybe a photo or paper or something in between. That wouldn't be wide enough. So what I would do is use a wider foil. So this one is a 1/4 inch. This is another 7/32. This is a 1/4. And this one looks like 1/2 inch. I mean, it's huge. So, but I have used it before because sometimes you have two thick pieces of glass and you want at least a little bit off of both ends so you have something to solder to. Now this is a black backed copper foil. Black back foil. And so that I would use if I were going to be patinaing the metal black, and so I wouldn't want a copper showing through. There's also a silver. Is this a silver? Yes. So there you have a silver backed. I think for charms that would be a good idea, because then if you happen to see through, you would see silver. And a lot of times I will just polish it and not even put a patina on it. And so you will have a silver, and so I think then you wouldn't see the silver through. And if you did, it's okay because it's silver. So those are some of the different ideas that you might think about when you are copper foiling your charms.
Turn it back over to you.
Okay, well, thank you, David. That's perfect. Now, what you need to do, and he did a beautiful job, is you want these to be flat all the way around. If it's not, then when you put your foil on, you will have bumps. And it's already hard enough to get this solder to go straight across. So that's really very important. Okay. Back to this one, we have this little picture here. So the next thing we want to do is to put foil. Now we've got two pieces of glass here, so you have to make sure that your foil is fat enough to go around both pieces. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. I think will be good. All right, now I'm going to set up right on the corner, making sure that all the pieces are straight and they're flat, and you got to hold on tight. Okay, I'm just rolling it around, making sure that the sides are still straight. I'm kind of eyeballing both sides to make sure it's not going anywhere. Then I'm going to give myself just a little bit there to fold over. Okay, I'm still straight, good. Then I'm going to pinch all the way around. Try to get really pretty corners if you have to. You know, when you do windows, you don't have to be so very careful, but I have found that on a charm, all the imperfections show up. Now, I don't mind a little bit of imperfection because I like it to look like it's handmade. I've seen some that are done with just pieces of the extruded stuff on each side. Oh yeah, they're perfect, but these are handmade. But you do want them to be as pretty as they can be. Thank you. I was using my fingernail. This is a tool. All right. Fingernails work good too, but when you've got a tool for the job, may as well use it. Okay, I'm going to burnish all the way around, making sure it's nice and flat. The flatter the better. I'm going to go over the sides here. Okay, that's the next step, and now we are ready to solder.